Hey everyone, if you need a quiet, accessible nature escape right inside the suburbs of Dallas, Spring Creek Nature Reserve in Richardson is exactly that. A well-kept riparian corridor and community resource that feels a world away. Located in Richardson, Texas, just east of US 75, North Central Expressway, between Campbell and Arapaho, the reserve protects a stretch of Spring Creek and its surrounding wetlands and woodlands, offering easy access to native wildlife, birding hotspots, and peaceful walking trails. This scenic 4.5-mile loop winds through a densely wooded corridor along Spring Creek, offering a peaceful escape despite its location near Central Expressway and Renner Road. The canopy of trees and creekside views create a quiet, natural atmosphere that feels far removed from the nearby freeway. The trail connects to the city of Richardson's broader greenway network, including Renner Trail to the west and Central and Owens Trails to the east. The extension carries the path north to Alma Drive and the George Bush Freeway, expanding its reach across the city. The trail is one of the best hikes for morning walkers or joggers or kids with stroller. There are fountains will provide water for both residents and their pets and will provide convenient spots for rest and refreshment. The reserve's history is rooted in local conservation, preserved through city and community efforts to maintain Spring Creek as a natural corridor amid growing development. That legacy shows in how the site balances public access with habitat protection, boardwalks and stabilized trails keep foot traffic off sensitive areas, while interpretive signage explains the ecology and the importance of riparian zones in North Texas. Facilities are practical and visitor-friendly. Expect well-maintained walking paths, elevated boardwalks across marshy areas, benches and viewing platforms for wildlife observation, informational kiosks, and restroom facilities near the main entrance. Trails are mostly flat and suitable for families, casual hikers, and birders. Most sections are stroller, and the Spring Creek Nature Area consists of more than 100 acres of hardwood forest located just south of the City Line development. The SENA was made possible thanks to a 1991 donation of 51 acres of land by the Margaret Hunt Hill family. In 2015, the city of Richardson purchased 4 adjacent plots of land from the Hunt Hill family that more than doubled the size of the SENA. Hike and bike trails. The nature area and surrounding properties have a rich history, dating back to the Caddo Indians and early pioneers settling in the area, including Jacob Rao. Routh arrived from Tennessee in 1849, purchasing land halfway between Dallas and McKinney and establishing a mercantile store and an inn for weary travelers. Routh also farmed many acres surrounding the woods, but never cleared the forested land, allowing its wildlife habitat to be preserved. Parking is straightforward. There's a main trailhead parking lot adjacent to the primary entrance with ample free daytime parking and designated accessible spaces. Weekends and early mornings are the busiest times, so if you prefer solitude, plan a weekday visit or arrive early. There is no overnight parking, and it's a good idea to lock valuables and follow posted rules to help preserve the area. Please enjoy the rest of the trail with beautiful trees, fall colors, and walking around nicecreek.br. Thank you all for watching.